You've got to pick good people and let them have some free rein and let them run with it. One of the most important things is that creativity cannot be stifled.
There's the green flag and they're racing. Roberto Guerrero stalls again in the pit, and here comes the Cummins whole-set turbo machine. We have a new leader.
Even in the face of recession, Cummins sales grew from $6.6 billion in 2000 to $13.2 billion in 2010.
Cummins dominates the diesel market, whether it's in trucks, power generation, or anything else.
This is machinery, we're talking about diesel engines, but this is a tech company as much as it's a manufacturing company.
So we chose Cummins because they had a flexible system that would allow us to meet different power levels. We couldn't do these studies of the planets and the asteroids without it.
My dad used to take a Cummins engine apart and put it back together. Little did he know that his son would be on the board of Cummins.
Cummins takes its corporate responsibility to the larger community very seriously. So when you build a building in a downtown, in an urban area, you recognize your responsibility to the citizens of that place.
How you doing?
If you're in business for a while, you discover there's something you might call the wisdom of the workplace.
Yeah, that's right.
Business is not a balance sheet or machinery or factories. Business is a collection of human beings who can accomplish more working together than any one of them could separately.
I felt like what I was doing mattered, and the people I was working with were motivating, inspiring, and I cared about them. The more and more I worked here, the more I thought, this is really an amazing place. There's no place else like it.
It's really an incredible experience to be part of an organization that is defining the path for your industry. Today, we have products that are near zero emissions. As we start to look forward at the future of Cummins, we continue to see the opportunity to help around the world.
各位来宾，下午好。
We are recognized for our inclusive way of thinking.
We see education and empowerment of women as not just an issue of getting more college graduates that we can hire, but as a way of strengthening the state of Maharashtra and the whole country of India.
And then told me that actually the entire expenses paid by them, I was stunned, happy, shocked, everything together.
Cummins engineers have helped to adapt technology that allows kids with very significant disabilities to play with literally the same toys that their peers are playing with.
We have been profoundly affected by it. The Cummins ethos. You've got people who are actually living it and meaning it, and that makes a hell of a difference.
Whatever you do in this world, you've got a responsibility and the privilege of doing it the very best way you can.
You have the opportunity to do something really important, to change the world, really.
Every single day I come to work and there's something fabulous going on in every single corner of Cummins around the world. And people are thinking about this actively every single day. It's beautiful.
Hey gang, this is Michael from Cummins' social media team. If you liked what you saw, click the subscribe button below. And don't forget to visit Cummins.com to learn more about the power of Cummins.